Hey guys, welcome back if you're new here. Hi, my name is Savannah. Welcome to my channel. So this is new. We're vlogging today. I haven't vlogged in it feels like years because I used to hate vlogging in my old car. My old car was like an old little neon and it was like so loud and it would make so much noise and it would shake a lot. And it was just not the best thing to vlog in. If you guys have ever seen my very first vlog on this channel, you know what I'm talking about. And I've had this new car for like over a year already. I don't know why I've never vlogged on it before. But here we are. Here we are. So the roads here in Albuquerque are still pretty jacked up, so it's still going to be a bumpy ride, but at least it won't be as loud and as bad as my very first vlog. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, we're doing last minute Christmas shopping because I'm a procrastinator and I wait till the very last minute to get things done and I suck. No, we really do have just a few more gifts to get. I got most of my stuff online, but like smaller little stuff, maybe some stocking stuffers, I have not gotten. We are on our way to pick up my best friend Emerald. You guys are finally gonna meet one of my best friends. I do have another best friend. Her name is Abby, but she is in Indiana right now. So, we miss you, Abby. So we are going to pick up Emerald. I'm pulling up right now. She's gonna be mad at me because I'm freaking late. And then we're just gonna hit up some like really good priced stores. So we're gonna be doing Ross. I want to hit up the mall. And I definitely want to do TJ Maxx, maybe Home Goods. I don't know. Hello. What it is. What's up? What do you have in your cup?
Water.
Is it wine? Oh.
Yeah, it is wine.
Shut up. Is it?
Yeah, I can go through it.
Why are you fucking lying? Okay, quick story time. This is my best friend Emerald, by the way. I was going through some hard things, and when Emerald picked me up, I was like, let me go shopping with you guys, grocery shopping. They picked me up, and I was waiting on my porch with a cup just like this, full of wine. Vibes.
Are you ready?
Oh, I haven't had wine in a while.
Just
Okay,
last week.
I need to put gas, because a bitch's light is on. What were you doing today?
I've been studying. I've officially decided I'm not gonna try and go for bachelor's in radiology. I'm gonna try and get into med school.
Shut the fuck up. Like where? Like here?
I'm gonna try. I really want to go to Baylor, honestly. I want to go back to Texas, you know this, but we'll see what happens.
My friends be fucking killing it. I'm telling you. Fuck, dude. That's gonna be crazy.
So I'm freaking taking 8 classes. Hello?
Hurry up! Oh my god! I'm telling you, people in Albuquerque can't drive worth a shit. We did it. No more light. We're on fucking full. We're ready to roll.
Allah, I didn't even know you were on empty. My light was on.
Had to stop and get a quick Starbucks fix because we're addicts. We just got back in the car. Why is it so hot? It's like December 22nd. So we did some shopping today. We got most of it done. We came to BJ's now. We just ordered some margaritas. We're gonna enjoy our day off. We're getting double poured. Alrighty guys, we just dropped Emerald off back at her house. Had a long day of shopping, but we got everything that we needed. We mostly shopped for ourselves. Don't judge us. But she is gonna come over now in her own car and we're gonna wrap some Christmas gifts. So yeah, I'm headed home. I am going to show you guys everything that I bought because we were kind of just like on the go, you know. I didn't have time to show you guys everything that I got. Like I said, I did get a lot of stuff for me. I would appreciate it if you guys didn't hate me in the comments, okay? I'm gonna show you guys what I got when we get home, and then we're gonna wrap some gifts. So I will see you guys when we get home. Okay guys, so I just got back home. I'm gonna run through everything that I got real quick before I start wrapping and before Emerald gets here. So first up, we went to Forever 21 in the mall. I didn't get that many. I didn't get that many things. I thought the mall was gonna have way more stuff than they actually did. They didn't have shit. So I mainly went there for a gift for my sister. I already got her some things online, but I thought this was super, super cute. She loves like turtlenecks like this, and she pulls off these kind of shirts so freaking good. And then I got her these little necklaces. Oh, it's tangled. I'm gonna have to untangle that. But I got her like these 3 separate necklaces, and I like this one because it comes with a cross on it. She's like super into jewelry like this, like dainty jewelry, so I got her this. Okay, next we went to Ross, and I got myself a trash can because I need a trash can. So I got me this huge little like 42 liter trash can. It's like silver and black. I don't mind the silver, but I would prefer gold. They did have a gold one there, but my mom has the exact same trash can in gold. So I got the silver one, and I'm gonna ask her if she wants to switch me. So fingers crossed. So what we got from Ross, I found this really cool light puffer jacket for my boyfriend. I thought it was really, really nice. Again, I already got him a lot of stuff online, but I wanted extra stuff, you know? And of course, I had to get myself some things, so I found me these really cute boots. I thought these were super, super cute. There's some booties, and they're nice and slimming on the ankle, which I really, really like. Funny story, my sister had actually given me a pair of the exact same color of booties one time. Like, she gave them to me, and the very first time that I wore them out was for New Year's when I turned 21, and it was just, it was a blur, and I ended up losing her freaking booties. Technically my booties, but I did lose them, and they were cute. So when I saw these, I was like, ooh, flashback, I must get them. I also found me these cute little booties. I have a pair of these except in black, and I've been looking for brown booties like this for a really, really long time, like a couple years, and I just can never find ones that I actually like, or with like a thick enough heel for me. I don't do stilettos, so I need a thick heel, especially in booties like this. So when I saw these, they were only like $22, and I was like, hell yes, give them to me. I also found this really cute neon pastel-y puffer jacket. You guessed it, for me. It's a Champion brand, and I love Champion. I know some people are haters, but I actually thought it was really, really cute. And I don't have a puffer jacket anymore. I don't know what the heck happened to mine. I used to have a pink one, and I don't know what the heck happened to it. But I thought this was cute, and it was super cheap, so I got this. And then after we went to lunch, we hit up TJ Maxx, and I got a few things at TJ Maxx. This is the first thing that I got. This is for my mom. I got her this one because I was stuck between this one and a Calvin Klein one because the Calvin Klein was like super, super cute. That's something that like I would wear. My mom would wear it too, but I thought this one was cuter. This is by BB, but my mom's nickname in her family is actually Bebe because she's the baby of her family. So I thought this was cute because it has her little nickname on it, brand name, whatever. She is so into like these larger purses, and she needs like a bigger handle for her shoulder, and she needs multiple pockets, which this has. Found this at TJ Maxx, freaking loved it. And then me and my sisters and my dad also went in on a king size bed for my mom because she wanted to switch from a queen to a king, so we all went in on that. But I wanted to get her something extra because I just didn't want her to not open a present on Christmas, you know what I mean? Like, I want her to open something, so that's for mom. I did already get my dad some stuff online as well, but he said that he's been wanting some sweats, so I found these really nice sweats at TJ Maxx, which I think he will really like. I got him a gray pair, and then I got him a black pair. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I found today for our bargain last minute Christmas shopping. I did already start wrapping presents a couple days ago, but I need to finish wrapping more gifts. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that fun little Christmas shopping spree with me and Emerald. Now let's get to wrapping these presents. Alright guys, I officially finished wrapping all my gifts and Emerald helped. None. I'm just kidding. She was studying. She was writing papers. Doing grown woman shit. But everything's finished. And I'm about to go downstairs and start making some chicken. I'm going to attempt to make orange chicken with fried rice. So wish me luck and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!